Ready to excel in the delivery world? This guide reveals proven strategies to boost your earnings and build a stellar reputation in 2025's competitive landscape. E-commerce growth. Year-over-year increase in online sales. Gig workers. Americans now working in delivery sector. Customer expectations. Real-time tracking and rapid delivery. The delivery landscape is transforming rapidly. Customers now demand lightning-fast service with complete visibility. Food delivery. Restaurant meals and prepared foods. Groceries. Fresh food and household essentials. Parcels. E-commerce packages and documents. Specialty. Medications, flowers, and luxury items. Today's drivers juggle multiple platforms. Many work across DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Instacart simultaneously. Adaptability. Embrace new tools and delivery types as the industry rapidly evolves in 2025. Top drivers pivot quickly between platforms and services. Tech proficiency. Master apps and digital platforms to stay competitive. Modern delivery work requires comfort with various technologies. Customer service. Friendly, responsive communication builds your reputation and leads to better ratings and tips from satisfied customers. Route planning. Efficient navigation and time management skills help maximize deliveries and minimize wasted time and fuel costs. These 4 skill areas form the foundation of every successful delivery driver's career in 2025. Use advanced tools. Leverage apps like EasyRoutes or Circuit to calculate optimal delivery sequences. Real-time navigation. Embrace apps that provide live traffic updates and automatic rerouting. Monitor performance. Track your deliveries per hour metrics and continuously improve your routes. Efficient route planning can increase your hourly deliveries by up to 30%. This directly boosts earnings. Friendly communication. Greet customers by name and maintain a positive attitude regardless of circumstances. Problem solving. Address issues quickly with creative solutions when orders are wrong or missing. Consistent excellence. Every interaction impacts your ratings, which directly affect your earnings potential. 5-star ratings unlock premium delivery opportunities and higher base pay on most platforms. Master multiple apps. Delivery platforms, 3 to 4 simultaneously. Navigation and traffic apps. Expense tracking tools. Update customers. Real-time delivery status. Proactive delay notifications. Clear arrival estimates. Stay current. Platform feature updates. New delivery technologies. Payment system changes. Tech-savvy drivers earn 25% more on average. Platforms reward those who utilize all available features. Master all environments. Navigate apartments, offices, and suburbs with equal ease. Switch between types. Transition seamlessly from food to parcels to groceries. Adjust to schedules. Flex your availability to match peak demand periods. Reap the rewards. Earn higher ratings, more tips, and platform bonuses. The most adaptable drivers receive priority access to high-value orders on most platforms. High-capacity phone. 5G connectivity, 10+ hour battery, water-resistant, with sturdy mount. Quality bags. Thermal-lined food bags, waterproof parcel carriers, and collapsible organizers. Driver's kit. Power bank, sanitizer, pens, flashlight, and weather protection gear. Professional equipment pays for itself. Quality gear prevents delays and customer complaints. Sort by delivery order. Arrange packages in your vehicle based on your planned route sequence. Verify instructions. Double-check special delivery notes before leaving the pickup location. Batch similar locations. Group deliveries to the same building or neighborhood to save time. Confirm completion. Take clear photos and get confirmation codes when required. Organized drivers complete up to 30% more deliveries in the same time frame. Create systems. Use checklists and digital reminders for recurring tasks. Prioritize orders. Handle time-sensitive deliveries first. Build in buffers. Add time for traffic and unexpected delays. Review performance. Analyze your efficiency and adjust strategies. Effective time management can increase your hourly rate by 20 to 40% through efficiency alone. Target peak hours. Work during lunch, 11 to 2, dinner, 5 to 9, and late-night surges. Book premium slots. Reserve high-demand time blocks in advance. Chase surge zones. Position yourself in bonus areas during peak demand. Top earners make 70% of their weekly income during peak hours. Strategic scheduling is essential. Order type. Good value. Poor value. Food delivery. $2 plus per mile, 5 miles or less. Under $1 per mile, over 7 miles. Groceries. $15 plus base, under 30 items. Heavy items, third floor walk-ups. Parcels. Multiple drops in same area. Single long-distance deliveries. Being selective can double your hourly rate. Don't feel pressured to accept every order. Track all expenses. Save receipts for gas, maintenance, phone bills, and delivery gear. Log mileage. Use apps to automatically record all business driving for deductions. Quarterly payments. Set aside 25 to 30% of earnings for taxes to avoid year-end surprises. Consider professional help. A tax pro familiar with gig work can maximize your deductions. Proper tax planning can save delivery drivers thousands of dollars annually. Vehicle safety. Regular maintenance checks. Secure package placement. Hands-free phone mounts. Dash cam for protection. Personal safety. Share location with contacts. Avoid unsafe delivery areas. Wear visible clothing at night. Trust your instincts. Data security. Secure payment apps. Protect customer information. Use strong passwords. Beware of scam attempts. Your safety comes first. No delivery is worth risking your well-being. Maintain perfect timing. Deliver consistently on or before estimated arrival times. Communicate proactively. Send updates about delays or substitutions before customers ask. Add personal touches. Include thank you notes or useful extras like napkins and condiments. Seek platform recognition. Qualify for elite driver programs that offer priority access to orders. Top-rated drivers earn up to 50% more through better orders and increased tips. Embrace innovation rather than fighting it. Drivers who adapt to new technologies remain in demand. Poor planning. Failing to map efficient routes can reduce earnings by up to 30%. Equipment failure. Vehicle breakdowns and tech issues can cost 25% of potential income. Missing notifications. Overlooking app alerts leads to missed opportunities and 20% lower earnings. Ignoring customer notes. Skipping special instructions results in poor ratings and 15% less income. Poor navigation. Taking inefficient routes wastes time and reduces earnings by 10%. Even experienced drivers make these mistakes. Regular self-assessment helps prevent income loss. NYC Hustle. Mark averages $2,000 plus weekly by working strategic zones during peak hours in Manhattan. Tip Maximizer. Sarah tripled her tips by adding personalized notes and useful extras with each delivery. Network Builder. Carlos created a driver network for real-time order swaps that optimized everyone's routes. Top performers don't just work harder, they work smarter by innovating and optimizing every aspect. Master the fundamentals. Efficiency, customer service, and reliability form your foundation. Embrace innovation. Stay ahead with new technologies and delivery methods. Optimize constantly. Refine your approach based on performance data. Your success in 2025 depends on skill evolution and adaptability. Put customers first, and profits will follow.